The birds of the swallow family and the sweep family select the superficial way of bathing. House sweep's body was light, grazing the surface of the water and flight up with wing. At the same time, they use water and the wind to clean up their feathers. The lifestyle between shorebirds and the birds that live nearby the river are similar. They cannot be separated from the water in their lives. The puddle next to the bushes is secret and comfortable, and naturally becomes their bathroom. The birds of the thrush family like bathing with standing in shallow areas, using their mouths and shaking their body, or soaking their head in water directly. The purpose is to let the body fully exposed to water. Gregarious birds like to take baths together. These Taiwan boo-boos select this irrigation channel. Although the water is not broad enough, it is clean and the depth is appropriate. Besides, it's not far from the foraging area, so it is totally suitable for them to get together and enjoy having a shower. They like to stand in the water, use the mouth or other parts to wet themselves, and clean the dirty parts of their bodies. Most of the medium-sized birds like to have shower by themselves, and they really care about the steps of washing, especially the process after their bath, including the preening, scratching, wings, drying. Every step is necessary. There are some unique habits of bathing between each bird. For example, the collared finchbill likes to immerse in the water and enjoys the refresh from the cool and slow water. The floor of waters from the deep forest is clean and secret. The gray tree pie is enjoying this secluded space, clinging themselves to the tail feathers. Later, the birds of a crow family, relatives of Taiwan blue magpie, come to take shower and have fun at the sand pond. The way of bathing is put their head and upper part of their body into the water and get wet, using the clean water to take ash away from their body. It's not easy to dry if their tail is wet. Magpie will shake their head, body, and flap wings to dry themselves. The last step of shower is preening feathers, the most important condition to form a popular public bath is the area must be safe for magpie to clean up themselves. In the beginning of spring, it is still cold. Formosan euhina, who is only 12 centimeters, is eating a persimmon. Because they always mess up when they eat, so the bath after the meal is the point to keep clean. It will be great if the luscious fruits are happen to be around the public bath. They can clean up after they eat, and they clean up again and again. They can also meet some new friends in the public bath. Look, a small water wall can solve a lot of society problems. It calls time to line up for this little bathhouse. Varieties are the big fans of taking a bath on their own, but they don't like to share their baths with Formosan euhinas. So they usually wait until all the Formosan euhinas left. Then they can hardly enjoy the bath. They use their mouths to wet themselves and get rid of the dirt on their body. Even in this cold January, taking a bath is still their priority. Having those beautiful cherry blossoms around them, who says birds don't know how to spend their leisure time? Formosan laughing thrush, who lives in the high latitude and the low temperature environment. They still need to take a bath, but the way is simpler than others. They just use the puddle by the side of the road to clean. The small puddle next to the cliff becoming the bath of bird. The couple of vivid Nitava comes to take a bath, and they guard each other together. Afterwards, Formosan white-tailed blue robin can't wait for vivid Nitava to leave. They come to take a bath together. Collar bush robin comes too. In this moment, these birds give this temporary small puddle more vitality and functions. Forming a bath of a bird's condition, it must be an environment where it can be protected from enemy, and the bath should have a suitable depth of water, and it must be clean and has a flowing water. However, it will be great if there is a place for birds to forage and to rest. In addition,